Wally, are you stuck up there? Did you discover that is a peanut bird feeder? It's not a peanut pug feeder. How are you going to get down? Yeah, you have a problem, don't you? How are you going to get down? Do you need help? Or do you just need help? Just need help reaching that bird feeder. You're so close. What do you think, baby? Baby? Baby, what do you think? I know. He's a few slices short of a loaf, isn't he? Are you a good girl? Oh, Wally. Wally, what are we going to do? How are you going to get down? Walnut, how are you going to get down? I don't know. Let's ask Thurston. Thurston! Yeah, he doesn't care. He says you're on your own. Are you stuck up on that chair? How are you going to get down? What do you think, babe? Baby? What do you think? What do you think? Wally? You can't have that. Oh, you got down pretty quickly, huh? Oh, you think if you sit, you're going to get that? You are adorable.